This is apartment 373. This is the Blazer floor plan. It's a 1-bedroom. And when you walk in, you're directly in your kitchen. And so you can check out this great space here. I'm gonna back up so you can see everything. So it's got tons of cabinet space and a great island. And one of my favorite things about these islands is that there's definitely room to tuck your bar stools underneath so that they don't block your walkway here. And then you have your stainless appliances and the beautiful black backsplash. And then here in your island is where your microwave will go. We are missing the black hardware on all the cabinetry, so you'll see that when it's all completed. Okay, and then let's check out these doors over here. So this first one over by the door is your utility closet. And then here is where you have your full-size washer and dryer. So lots of space. You actually have storage above, which is nice. Okay, and then this door here is coat closet. And then let's look at the living space from the kitchen. So we'll go around here so you can see it fully. There's a lot of good space here. You've got these great windows, the patio door there. So the terraces are super big. So you can fit a lot more than a traditional apartment space for the terrace. So beautiful out here. Okay. And then let's just check out the whole living space from this angle. Okay. So let's go into the bedroom first. So here is the bedroom. Again, you've got those beautiful windows, ceiling fan there. And this one's really nice. So there's actually a pocket door. So you can obviously get to the bathroom from the main living space, but then you have a pocket door so it doesn't take up space in your bedroom. And then you can go straight into the bathroom from your living space as well. And so when we walk in here, this is a huge bathroom. So you've got the double sinks, extra cabinetry as well. And then you've got this great tiled shower. So it goes all the way to the ceiling. And you have your linen closet in here. And then if that wasn't enough storage, then you have this massive California walk-in closet with fully customizable shelving. And it is lit and it's huge. So the more clothes you have, the better. And shoes. Lots of shoe space. So great space there. And then let's take a look at this bathroom. It's beautiful. You've got your tile floor. Okay, let's check out that kitchen one more time.